Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check if Java has been installed in your computer through the terminal. So here I'm going to open my command prompt, and in order to check if Java has been installed into the system, you use the command java-version. So in this case, it shows that I have Java version 17 installed on my computer. So this is the build and other information. So that is how to check if Java is installed in your system using the terminal. Quick and simple.